GOVX stock, GOVX Labs Inc. has popped by 33.26% in this session of the 20th of May 2022. We haven't found any news behind this rally. It has momentum is indicating the stock is currently oversold, and RSI is weighing in, indicating that it's below 50 now, indicating that sellers have taken control at the moment. And it has it spiked to a high of $1.06 in this session alone, and has since continued to cool down. It seems to be picking up some momentum there. It's around where the volume weighted average price is at the moment. The underlying trend for the stock is a bearish one. You can see that it's been bearish since let's say since early November, I think, and it hasn't really challenged its 50-day moving average since early January as well, early January of this year. But today it seems to be coming close to that. Obviously that's because since it started to decline, it hasn't really actually done a lot to challenge any of its moving averages, even though at various points. At one point it was slightly above its 50-day moving average, and that was in late April of this year. And at some point, at various points, yes, it was above its 10-day moving average, but they were not sufficiently serious as such. Its 50-day moving average is just declining steeply as well. That means that has ensured that with this rally, and that rally on the cards at the moment, and the one that started all the way back to the 12th of May, has ensured that it's now very much close to its 50-day moving average. So it has continued to demonstrate bullish signals since the 12th of May. Yes, continue to do so. So if it crosses above its 50-day moving average and closes above it, then it will be yet another validation of bullish signals. At some point in this session, it will rose above its 50-day moving average of $1.05. So given all of these, we can see its next resistance is that $1.05, and we think it also has the potential to get 1.17 based on what it has done in this session alone. And after that, I think the next resistance will be all the way up to its 50-day moving average, which is around 200-day moving average, which is around $3.03. But outside that, there are a couple of it has broken through a lot of challenges, resistances it had previously. But before it gets to $3.03, it has another resistance at $1.55 or thereabout, and another one at $2.53. These are just the resistances it couldn't surpass. So next resistance is at 1.05. Next one will be around 1.55, and a couple of other ones. You can always determine all of these yourself. But in this session, we think it can bounce back to 1.05 and all the way back to $1.17. So GOVX stock on the move. So see what you make of it. We haven't found any news, and the volume is so far it's 9.738 million shares. The news hasn't filtered through yet. Okay, so thank you very much for watching this video.